The Justice Ministry has shed more light on the outdated laws that are under review. Justice Minister Delroy Chuck addressed the matter at a press conference today. TVJ's Janella Pursues reports.
Outdated laws with woefully inadequate fines. This has been a criticism of the justice system, one which the Minister of Justice, Delroy Chuck, says he's well aware.
Many of you will recall when Tesha Miller was fined $100 for an immigration breach. Everybody said, $100? I mean, it almost a contemptuous fine. And therefore, we have to make fines be a deterrent to any offense.
Some of the laws date back decades, like the Maternity Leave Act, where an employer who fails to grant maternity leave is fined $500, and where an employee is fired without reasonable cause or partly because of a pregnancy or confinement, the employer can be fined $1,000. Under the Public Order Act, persons who participate in a public march for which a permit has not been obtained will face a fine of $20. And then there's the Local Governance Act, which states that bringing bad and unwholesome meat, fish, turtle, poultry, game, eggs, vegetables, or ground provisions to market or selling them or offering them for sale in the market will attract a fine of $1,000. Laws like these are now under review. The Justice Minister revealed that 800 of the country's laws relevant to all government ministries are now contained in a document for feedback.
Some of the laws where the fines are $40, $20, $100. And so we have present them in the matrix and invite them to make recommendations as to what the new penalties should be.
The ministry will also examine whether some of the laws or some sections can be repealed.
In those circumstances, during the course of starting this fiscal year, we will be upgrading and improving many of the laws in Jamaica, and certainly over the next year or 2 or 3 years, we want all the laws of Jamaica to be properly upgraded.
Janella Pursues, TVJ News.